Let us now meet your players. First, for the Comelec Vanguards. Number 1, Yap Salazar. Number 5, Chemuel Namokatkat. Number 6, Jello Morilla. Number 8, Danny Pribdas. Number 9, Bri Ramirez. Number 10, Vince Curador. Number 12, attorney Jaja Fajardo. Number 16, Jay Ramel. Number 20, Aljon Ungria. Number 19, Lester Maulion. Number 22, Ming Distancia. Number 28, Ken Isik. Number 41, Francis Guriba. Playing coach for Comelec is attorney Jaja Fajardo. And now let's meet the players for your DOJ Beacons. At number 0, Chris De Lucas. Number 1, attorney Charlie Guhit. Number 7, ASEC Nico Clavano. Number 12, JL De La Cruz. Number 16, Ace Asuncion. Number 17, Nico Javier. Number 18, Paul Reguera. Number 21, Jess Alastoy. Number 22, Erwin Duran. Number 23, Raven Tacuban. Number 26, Jonel Canizares. Number 28, Peter Butel. Number 31, Michael Solier. And number 39, ASEC Tom Tejano. Coaching DOJ is Randy Boylobo. Let us now meet the starters. First, for your Comelec Vanguards. Starting at guard number 6, Jello Morilla. The other guard number 28, Ken Isik. At forward number 5, Chemuel Namokatkat. The other forward number 41, Francis Giriba. And at centers number 10, Vince Curador. Head coach for Comelec Vanguards is attorney Jaja Fajardo. And now welcome the starters for your DOJ Beacons. Starting at guard number 12, JL De La Cruz. The other guard number 26, Jorel Canizares. At forward number 0, Chris De Lucas. The other forward number 17, Nico Javier. And at center number 28, Peter Butel. Coaching DOJ is Randy Boylobo. Introducing our officials for this game, Don Arguelles, Edric Chico, and Zen Manansala.
Magsanok to Fran. Fran to Magsanok to Rina Villamor Camera.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's talk about the Comelec Vanguards. First, winning their first game against the Judiciary Magus is a big self-confidence booster para sa kanilang kupunan. Coming from Season 10 kung saan bahagyang nasa dulo sila ng team standings natin. Dala-dala nila ngayong Season 11 lahat ng natutunan nila. And one of that is a self-confidence sa paglalaro nila. Another thing is they tried to work on rebounding para sa Season 11 na ito. Rather, that's why they recruited 2 big guys para sa kanilang kupunan. Andyan sila Vincent Curador and Aljon Ungria na tutulong sa kanila on that department. We also have a coach Jaja Fajardo, who's been a player since high school na makakatulong nila and is suited up for the Comelec Vanguards ngayon. The team has started practicing as early as August to make themselves more competitive and more intense sa mga laro nila. If you've noticed, there's also a change of color para sa kanilang kupunan. Kung dati blue sila, ngayon naman red na ang kanilang suot-suot. It's for the reason that red means power and more passion when it comes to basketball. Back to you, coaches.
Fighting. Red is the color of bravery. Thanks, Ms. Rina Villamor Camera, and welcome back. Coach Patrick Fran joins me this afternoon dito sa ating day number 4 of the UNTV Season 11.
Yes.
Looking for their first points of this contest. And so far, no basket scored yet by these two teams. De La Cruz, Javier. Easy peasy for Javier.
Yeah, ganda transition offense ng DOJ sa sequence na yon.
After a missed attempt, an early push, looking for early offense. Namokatkat, the best player in the first win of Comelec in the last match. Against the 2-3 zone. Inside, the half turn. Basket counts, may kasama pang foul.
Kasama ang foul. Ganda ng ikot ni Sandor. Corredor.
At si Corredor, nagsilbing kubrador. In this last sequence, good entry pass beats the defense. The former PBA player, Philip Butel. Yui naglaro si Butel, no?
Yes. Philip Butel.
Inabot mo ba itong mga to?
Mas matanda ako sa kanila.
Ah, talaga nga?
Oo.
Oh.
Kasama niya si Anastoy.
Oh.
Oh, full court.
Five straight points in less than a minute. 3-point play and a takeaway by Comelec puts them on the board for a 5-point lead. Butel with a press break and a finish. Foul called. Bonus situation for the former Red Warrior.
Yeah, as you said, Coach Ronnie, 5 straight points ngayon Comelec doon. Mabigat ang press, full court press nila.
Pero ito, Red Warrior to Red Warrior. Jorel Canizares played alongside Paul Lee.
Yes.
Some years ago, gives it up to his former, rather co-warrior in Philip Butel, who short rims his bonus free throw.
Kasama nila sila nung umiping. Yung
Talaga?
Kabatch ba nila yan? UE din yun, di ba?
Hindi si Canizares, mas bata.
Mas ba?
Paul Lee to. Paul Lee.
Ayun, pinakitaan ka ng
Rejection by Canizares. Push coming from Javier. Javier throws it up. Chance for Comelec. A push by Morilla. Namukat-kat to Cobrador. 5 points for Cobrador.
kumubra ulit.
Cobra. Pampito. Started with this pass. And then the extra. And then the big man anchoring the break. Chance to go up by 4 if he converts his 6-point off this first quarter.
Talaga binibilisan ng Comelec yung laro eh.
Yes. Daming taga-UE. Maraming taga-UST.
UST.
Ito, taga-UE rin. Si Duran.
Duran.
Isang Duran lang, hindi Duran-Duran.
Pero ang coach nila,
Taga-UST.
UST, June Dizon.
Oh, di ko lang kung kabatch ni Rina o inabot lang ni Rina. Younger si Rina. Ang gulo mo, Coach Pata. Ano na yan? Metwang na si Rina sa pagbabalik. Galing Perth. Galing Melbourne. Against the zone press, Canizares. Against who? Well, this time, where the Vanguards were aggressive defensively.
First foul of Geriba.
Husay yan.
Oo. Saka lakas dumipensa sa kabila rin, si Ortega.
Si Raymond Dosa.
Oo.
Husay din yan. PBL player din yan, Coach Pat.
Oo.
De La Cruz, quarterbacking. Butel with a flush back to Canizares. Goes out counter, steps back. Extra pass. Butel overshoots. Butel with a second chance.
Oo.
Butel with 4 out of the first 6 points.
Masyado malakas. UE connection, no?
At masyado malaki.
Oo.
Nice move. Canizares. De La Cruz with a push. Looking for their secondary break. Canizares triggers. Butel beaten by Cobrador. Forward to Isik against Duran. Isik score.
Every time may open lane talaga atake ang Comelec.
De La Cruz slows it down. 15 on the clock. Pass to the left wing. Javier. Bad pass by Javier. Taken away by Isik. Isik. Look at the applause coming from the rest of the Vanguards.
Yes, talaga tumatakbo eh.
Fast and the Furious.
Sino yung Furious?
Yung coach nung naagawan na team.
Yan. Furious.
As we also take a look. Rina, kasama mo kanina si Coach Turo Valenzuela, di ba? Oo, that's a big name in the history of Philippine basketball. Both as a player and as a coach. Who is on board once again, the UNTV Cup family. Alam ko yung kanyang son ng head coach dito eh. Oo. Pero sa ngayon, si June Dizon, that's Coach Turo Valenzuela. a national player for the longest time, national team coach,
Yes.
coach in the pro ranks as well.
Coach FEU, San Sebastian, Tanduay,
Rispa,
Crispa.
4-point lead for Vanguards. That's a foul by Ramirez. And that will be 2 free throws with a lot of time left
Oo.
here in quarter 1.
Masyado maaga. 3.5 minutes pa lang, no?
Ang nagdaan,
Oo. Penalty na.
ang hindi dadaan.
Actually, tama ba? Pareho na silang penalty.
Yes. Tignan natin ang dami ng free throws. So far, Coach Pat, leading scorers.
Leading scorer for Comelec, Corredor with 5. Sa panig naman ng DOJ, si Butel with 4 points.
So yung mga higante,
Oo.
kumakamada sa loob. First free throw sank by DOJ. 12-2 from the line coming from Javier. Lead down to 2 for Comelec. Oh, Javier with a takeaway. Javier steal. Overshoots the mark. Looking for a foul, not given. After the first 3 minutes and 39 of the first quarter, we find the Comelec ahead by 2 points. 10-8 is the scoreline with 6 and 10 to 1 remaining here in the quarter.
Station B, si Philip. Okay? Ito si Sir Miko, ito si Juret. Okay? Go, pagbigay ng bola, screen ka, ikaw to Juret. Ikaw to Juret. Screen. Okay, pag screen, kung ilalabas to, harapan mo, lagay mo sa likod yung bantay mo. Ito, first option. Okay, pag wala, dito si Butel. Ito. Okay, yan, dalawa. Okay, ulit ha. Basto, harap, yun. First option, 2 points. Pag wala, ito, tuloy mo dito. Okay? Tingnan mo ito ha. Tingnan mo.
Higit isang buwan bago sumapit ang araw ng Kapaskuhan. Nagbabalik ang UNTV Cup Season 11 after a playdate. Did not push through dahil sa bagyong si Pepito. Butel attacks against Corredor, will miss. Comelec will run again. Ramirez spots up. Dribble offline. Butel to Duran. Duran quiet so far. Overshoots. Namukatkat has also been very quiet. No attempt so far
Wala pa.
for the jewel from Comelec.
Nagiging facilitator siya, no? Although he has 2 rebounds and 1 assist.
Let's take a look at another former UE Red Warrior in Jess Alastoy. Tama, no, Coach Pat?
Yes.
Na naglaro for Coach Bennett Palad for many years para sa NHA. Namukatkat with a takeaway. Foul given up against the jewel.
Umatake na siya.
Ganap na lang dalawang free throws. Tama naman.
Namukatkat scored 17 points, no? In their win against the Magis.
So, nagpanalo.
Oo.
First point of the game. Two in the match. Another big man coming in here. Corredor taking a rest. Dito sila nagpalakas ng gusto, Coach Pat.
Aha.
Nagpatangkad. Nagpabata.
Oo. Tsaka magbibilis.
Fresh break for DOJ. During the halfway mark of the first. Post pass to Alastoy. Duran flashes, opens up Canizares on the opposite wing. Pet move by Canizares. Namukatkat pushes. Corner pass. Back to Namukatkat. Ramirez back to Namukatkat. Inside for another basket.
Bigat ng extra passing nila, no?
That's Ungria, yung sinabi sa reporterina kanina.
Oo.
It's all about the press and the quickness factor. Duran with an uy move, Coach Pat.
Oo.
Alastoy blocked by Ungria. Ungria in and out. Ungria goes left. Ungria fouled by Javier.
From offense to defense to offense.
Ang gusto kong malaman, kung si Danilo Pridas, anak ng dating Pridas na naglaro sa PBA. May matangkad dati na Pridas
Oo.
na naglaro sa PBA. A pioneer. I remember him when I was still a big fan of the PBA.
Anong team yung ano niya?
Presto.
Presto.
Pero hindi pa Presto yun noon eh.
Ang name ng dad is Danilo.
Danilo.
Ito yata Danny.
Dani.
Oo. Baka.
So baka hindi kasi kapangalan eh, no? Tingnan natin. 7-point lead. Comelec. Duran once again attacks. Misfires. They're having problems dun sa kanilang press break execution. Kaya nagiging walang direksyon ang kanilang
Yes.
offensa.
And kung ikaw yung defensive team, gusto mo yun.
Yan.
Gusto mo yung early shots.
Bakit?
Siyempre.
Hindi pa nakaumang eh.
Oo.
Hindi nakakasa. Free ball. Short. For Ramirez. Asuncion. Ball stop para sa Comelec. Solier to Alastoy. Foul by... Foul given up by Distancia. Free throws number 4 and 5 para dito sa DOJ. Three or 4 from the line. Rida seeing his first minutes as a Vanguard. What's the call? Early entry?
Early entry. Pero binigay ang possession.
Isang free throw dapat, hindi possession.
Oo.
Tama, di ba? Parang
Tama,
disconcerting lalabas eh.
Oo.
Another chance here for Alastoy. Dati po ang free throw sa basketball, pag-up shooting, 3 to make 2.
3 to make 2.
Tapos yung bonus mo, 2 to make 1. O pag penalty,
Okay.
2 to make 1.
Oo.
Kaya pag mababa pa dati ang percentage mo, may problema ka na.
Sa dami ng tira, no?
Yes. Comelec nailing their first 3-point basket. That was from long distance, coming
Oo.
from Distancia.
Eksakto, ang apelido.
Tama.
From a distance.
Yes. Solier pulls up. Recovered by Asuncion. Asuncion. Finds a friend. Canizares stopped. Solier against Pridas. That's good defense coming from Namukatkat.
Oo. Nag-iiba talaga tira eh.
Joel against Duran. Namukatkat with a back pass. Distancia once again. This time offline.
Sakto yung pasa eh.
Ganda.
Oo.
Behind the back. Duran open. Right elbow. Lob pass. Perfect against Pridas.
UE connection, oh.
Yes. Tatlong Red Warriors para sa DOJ. Distancia says play 4. Pridas bounces. Namukatkat called for steps.
Makakita siya na higante.
Lalaki.
Oo.
Play 4 din para dito sa DOJ. Asuncion playing the point. Solier once again open 3 ball. Short this time. 2 minutes and 25 distancia. Ramirez cross court Pridas. Pridas. Fail post na Mokatkat. Ramirez launches and hits. Another 3 ball.
205 ang Comelec.
6 of the first 21.
Yes.
Perimeter scoring has been key for Comelec. And that zone press as well. UE versus UST. Canizares beats the defense of Pridas.
Gaan eh. Parang papel.
Kung ano yung itsura niya dati, yung pa rin.
Yan pa rin siya eh.
Hungria. Again. Short on the 3. Durant. To Canizares. Foul by Hungria. 2 free throws coming up. Some numbers, Coach Pat.
Leading scorer for Comelec is still Corredor with 5. Distancia with 3. Panig naman ng DOJ. Alastoy with 4. Same with Butel.
Rebounds and assists. Ronnie, please.
So rebounds 9. 9 defensive for Comelec. And DOJ is 8. Total for 9 and 10. Mabigat yung assist. Comelec has 6 assists.
Kasi nakakatakbo.
Oo.
At turnovers ng DOJ ay 5 na.
Because of the press.
Yes.
Aggressive eh.
Canizares with 3 points so far. Distancia at the top. Excellent pass to Corredor. Back to Distancia. Ramirez with a quick figure. Perfect setup by Distancia.
Oh, third 3-point shot.
Converted. That's 9 of the 24 coming from the long line. Oops. Completed stop by Corredor off Canizares.
Corredor started for no?
Yes.
For Comelec.
Pridas. Oh! Oh! Deadly yan.
Oh, deadly talaga yan.
At habang bumibitaw ng tres, umihiyaw mga taga UST ng Ghost eh. Ghost eh. Suddenly, the lead is at 12.
Oh.
12 points from the 3-point line for Comelec. That has been the difference so far here in this quarter, scoring of 27-15.
Taas ng score, no?
Kasi tumama ng 4 eh.
12 of the 27 sa 3 points.
10-8 lang kanina yan eh. Tama ba, Rani? 10-8? Ba kanina yung scoring na yan?
10-8.
Oh. From a 10-8 scoreline, it's a 17-8 surge delivered by the hot shooting Comelec Vanguards. Solier chase down. Corredor, another completed stop. Masyadong malakas. Pridas nasa po. Ramirez walang bantay. Oh. Pero napaka-aggressive nito si Distancia. Walang patawad.
Hindi dumidistansya.
Hindi nakikinig sa distansya, amigo. Canizares with the runner. Alastoy with the putback. And after the first 10 minutes, and with 4 3-point baskets made, it will be Distancia, Namokatkat, Corredor, and Ramirez leading Comelec to an 11-point lead at 27-16. Back in a few. Kami po'y muling nag-aanyaya sa inyong lahat. Pag meron kayong oras, samahan po kami dito sa UNTV Cup. Wednesdays and Sunday playdates. Katulad po ng kasama namin, Made in Australia, Miss Rina Villamor Camara.
Not naman made in Australia.
I'm sorry!
Ito, pero balitaan na kita, tama ka dun sa sinabi mo na daddy nga ni Danny Pribdas. Itong si Danilo Pribdas, ex-PBA, used to play for Great Taste. Kung maalala niyo pa yung team na yon. Si Danny Pribdas, naabutan ko pa yan when I was covering for the UST days pa. It has been 16 years na hindi na siya naglalaro ng basketball dahil ang last daw niyang nakapaglaro siya ng basketball was in 2008. And he's happy to be back in action in court and to be part of the Comelec team right now. At kasama din nila dyan, tumasyon sila dyan, si Ray Mendoza, na kapwa player din niya in Sunkist UST na naabutan ko rin. And Aljan Ungria naman, who's a younger growling Tiger. 2009 team naman itong si Ungria na naglaro for the UST. So these three Growling Tigers are hoping to be able to contribute on the running and the rebounding department of the Comelec team. Back to you, coaches.
Very much, Mike. Si Danilo Pribdas. Kasi maliit pa ako, nanonood ako ng PBA. Isa yun sa mga tallest players dati sa buong Pilipinas. So Great Taste. Mali ako, sabi ko Presto. But that's along the product line ng,
Yes. Oo.
ng
Isa lang yun.
Universal Rubina Corporation.
Oo.
Natawa ako si Ungria, also Growling Tiger. So,
UST rin.
marami ang taga-Espanya, marami ang taga-Moraita.
Oo. UE, UST.
Dagdag pang dalawa rito.
Ayun na, si Ungria.
And that's the Bigs at work. 2009, batang-bata pa to, Coach Pat.
Bata pa.
Diba? 15, mga mid-30s.
Oo.
Si Frida, 16 years hindi naglaro, 2008. Ako, 16 minutes eh.
Ako, 16 seconds.
That's Duran with his first basket, I believe. Or first field goal. Let's double check that. Yes, first field goal para dito kay Duran. Lovely name. Distancia, another three. High arcing one. Drops in. 5 of 10 from the three-point line.
Kanina, si Pribdas yung ganun eh, no? Shooter's bounce.
Mas mahirap yung kay Prigdas kasi tumama sa tuktok eh.
Oo.
Umabot sa stratosphere. Duran again. Back to back. Ang tawag dyan eh, Duran.
Duran.
Dalawang sunod eh.
Oo. 5 points for him.
Oh. Aba! Okay, Mike. Keep it going, Mike.
Don't mind. Ayan.
Iba yung
pero,
kanya. Iba.
Nabalitaan ko muna kayo about the DOJ team. Heading for the DOJ team right now, itong father and son tandem nila Coach Raymond, who's not here right now, and Coach Arturo Valenzuela, na ginagawa nga nila itong father and son tandem nila for the last 15 years already, since Bastet days, and at present, coaching also for La Consolacion. As a dad, si Coach Arturo, he lets his son do the trainings and do his coaching calls for the Beacons. Ito naman kanyang anak, ang style niya sa games niya is a mix of a triangle and motion offense. Pero kung si coach daw ang tatanungin, it's more of a running and triangle pattern lang daw ang ipapagawa niya dito sa DOJ Beacons. Kinamusta ko rin si Coach Arturo kanina at sabi niya nga sa akin, he's doing very, very well at the age of 82, no? Ang nagbago lang sa kanya, naka-prosthetics leg na siya dun sa kanyang kaliwang binte because he suffered from diabetes. But despite his condition right now, you know, he maintains a happy and healthy disposition in life. Nagbiro pa nga siya sa akin. Ang tawag sa akin ng team ngayon, Sugar Daddy, kasi mataas daw ang sugar niya. Back to you, coaches.
That's his diabetes report coming from Miss Rina Villamor Camara.
Oo.
82 years old na si Coach.
Yeah.
Grabe naman. Mukhang bata pa rin, no?
Saka malakas.
Saka-active kasi.
Active. Maganda yung katawan niya.
Di mo na inabot maglaro yan, Rins, ano? Di ko rin siya inabot pero alam ko na talagang brusko. Big guard. At yan daw ang nemesis dati ni Coach Sonny Jaworski, Coach Pat. Yan, sa tapang. Kasi karatista.
Okay.
Reverse attempt, missed. Delayed pass. Isik gets away. Let's take a look at the quarter scoring. Rani, quarter scoring. Coach Pat. And the first?
Yes, and the first 27 for Comelec, 16 for DOJ.
So here in quarter number 2, 10-6 is the scoreline.
Yes.
And Comelec has streaked to a 14-point lead. De La Cruz. De La Cruz still at the top. Canizares, another 3 ball. Still not there. Forward pass. Isik again. What a pass. What a play. What a lead.
Si Isik, parang 10 points na siya sa layup niya, no? Sa fast break niya.
7 pa lang.
7 pa lang.
7 pa lang.
So nakaka 6 points na siya sa fast break.
Yan. Ganda ng pasa ni Morilla. Javier stops the scoring run. With a 3 ball. Second 3-point basket for DOJ. The Beacons.
205 ang DOJ. Samantalang ang Comelec, 5 of 12
Yo.
from the 3.
Ito, mahusay maglaro ito. Corredor loses possession. Pwedeng i-challenge yan.
Oo.
De La Cruz in the backcourt. De La Cruz now in the front court. Ball fakes to Javier. Back-to-back threes. Javier. Earlier it was Duran.
Ngayon, Javier. Down to 10.
Down to 10.
Down to 10.
Anong highest lead? 18?
18 points.
Anong score?
39-23.
16 lang yun. Nag-isip ka pa, ha? We have a problem, right? 6-point run here para sa mga naka-pusha.
Yes.
Di-blue yan, ano, Coach Pat, no?
Pusha.
Pusha.
Department of Justice.
Pusha. Ano ba ibang tawag sa pusha? Parang violet, no?
Oo.
Barney.
Oh,
Yes.
sharing is caring.
Of course. 6-point surge. Answered by Guriba. Another forced turnover. Turnover number
9.
dami.
Dami na.
Halos halfway mark. Rina to Isik. Nowhere close yung 3 ball na yon. Javier, double team. Will turn the ball over. Bilis tumakbo ni Morilla.
Sobra. Siya na yung nasa backcourt. Siya pa yung nakakuha ng bola eh.
What about that recovery? Hotel with another chicken wing. Andy.
Andy. Laki niya eh, no?
Laki. Mga 6'6", 6'7" yan.
Oo. Pero malaki din si Corredor eh.
That baseline was shut down by Corredor. Morilla takes off. Another set to 2 points along the fast break lanes. It was down to 10 from a high of 16. But plays such as this on the open court has enabled Comelec to maintain a 14-point lead. Up and away for the Comelec Vanguards.
Dalawa para sumusunod natin dalawa, maluwag sa tatlo. Okay, trabahuin na itong guard. Okay, so go deep. Dito kayo mag-start. Kasi pag dito, naka-deny na eh. Okay, dito, kaya pag pupunta doon, sumasama. Okay yan, o pasa. So, punta dito, ito pupunta doon. Ang dito, huwag ito. Kasi pag hinito nyo, tumudubol eh. O, bago pa dumubol, ang pag-iinit mo, ball.
Bigay sa'yo. Atakin mo yung double, tama.
Oo, dito.
First quarter scoreline, 27-16. Since that time, 16 para sa Comelec, 13 para sa DOJ.
Yes, sayang, no? 29-39. 10 na lang kanina.
Dalawang sunod na layups para sa Comelec.
Oo.
Solier. De La Cruz right wing. 10 on the shot clock. Javier has 2 3-point baskets. They're up and running once again. Was that Guriba?
Anong tawag doon sa move na gano'n? Bangga.
Kiba.
Giba.
Kondisyon ng Comelec, ano?
Oo. Mabilis din yung palitan.
Kahit na. Mahirap tumakbo ng ganyang kabilis.
Oo. Sanay sila.
Game
Kasi
science.
sa election return, kailangan mabilis.
Tama. Partial and unofficial.
Oo. Room to room.
Oo, mahirap yan. Pero may computerized na eh, di ba?
Yes.
So yung transmittal ng
Oo.
vote counts ay mas mabilis na. Unforced turnover. Corredors version. What a pass. That's a charge?
For 10, Vince Corredor, his second. 2 on the Comelec.
Pahingo muna si Corredor. 2 fouls.
Pumasok tong taga-UST.
Tama.
2009,
Hungary.
sabi nga, Hungary.
09, batang-bata.
Oo.
Ball screen against the zone. But Butel did not roll to the basket. Instead, that basketball rolled outside.
Sakto sana eh.
Against the man.
Oo.
Against the zone, sakto yung bola sa kalaban. Namukat-kat, biding time. Nanap si Salazar. Salazar bounces. Namukat-kat. Nice move.
Ang galing.
Excellent move.
Ha?
Wow.
Kontrolado.
And that's a 4-man playing the perimeter position
Oo.
with ease. Canizares breaks the press. Solier wide open. Butel still. Good scoring game here for Philip Butel.
Yes.
6 points, I believe.
6 points.
6, no?
Oo. 7 rebounds.
Siya pinakamatangkad.
Oo.
Salazar. Isik. Jewel stops. Pops. Fight for the basketball. Alastoy and the Beacons will keep possession.
Si Namukat-kat, napaka-pasensyoso. No? Kontrolado niya yung galaw niya.
Kondisyon.
Diba? Oo.
Magagawa mo lang yan pag nasa tamang kondisyon ka.
Tingnan mo yung katawan.
Bato-bato eh. O sa para kay Alastoy. Solier reverses it. Canizares short. Vince, nandito ba si Ma'am Rina? Mamaya, focus natin yung isang napaka-animated na fan sa likod ng DOJ bench. Sa tatuwa kasi pinapababa pa niya yung mga players. Nakatayo siya ngayon. Tingnan mo, nakapamewang pa. DOJ has the basketball. 15 on the clock. Javier, Canizares, back to Javier. Javier, the semi-hook. Ayan, panurin mo, Hotspot. Nag-aalala siya. Balisang-balisa.
Oo.
At sila ay may pasok pa pagkatapos.
Okay.
Namukat-kat. Fridas. Steps back. Solier. Solier, 3 against 4. Salazar recovers. Namukat-kat. 3 against 2. Their version. Pulls up. Ugria. Fouled by Alastoy.
Inipit ng dalawa.
Oo, eh.
Alastoy tsaka Butel.
Alastoy, dalawang taga-UE.
Oo.
Oo. Ayun na si Rina, ang bilis tumawid talaga. From Melbourne to Perth. All the way to Nubadechi. This game is brought to you by Pinabili 46-31, 15-point lead. 27-16, Coach Pat, end of the first quarter since that time.
Yes.
19 against 15 here in quarter 2.
Sa bilis ng laro ng Comelec.
Bilis.
Ang bilis talaga.
Ganda panuorin.
Oo. Tapos, penalty pa pala ang DOJ.
Talaga mape-penalty ka, hindi mo abutan yung kalaban.
Abutan talaga.
Comelec, 9 of 13 from the line, 70% almost. DOJ, 60% at 6 of 10. Ay, dalawang sablay. Sakit.
The rebounding naman, 21 ang DOJ, 17 para sa Comelec.
Duran will not give given continuation. Orton on the shot clock. Pridas with the tip. $78 left here sa second quarter. 13 on the clock. 15.8 para sa Comelec. Things looking good so far para sa Vanguards. DOJ looking to finish strongly before the half is done.
Baka mabuhis na clock.
Okay, okay.
Take time, mga 15, 10 seconds, tsaka gumalaw. Tapos sa defense, iwasan lang may mag-3.
Sige.
Okay? Relax na lang. 2-ball possession na lang yan, ha? Okay.
Relax lang, sabi ni Coach. 2 possessions na lang ang natitira. Pero parang mga 3-4 pa to. Tingnan natin.
Mahaba pa daw.
Haba pa talaga. Baseline exchange. Alastoy. Look at Namukatkat. Duran, foul by Hungria. Second personal foul as well for Hungria.
Comelec is trying to to get the rebound, kaya lang talaga mas malalaki ang DOJ.
Saka napunta kay Duran talaga yung tapik.
Oh.
Duran.
Duran now 6 points.
7 yan, Coach Pat.
Okay, 7 points.
Go 4 from the line. 2. Sabi ng Comelec. 64 seconds left. You heard it. Oops, Salazar with a 3. Namukatkat with a tip. Ramirez to Jewel. Ramirez canning. Pridas, corner 3. Alastoy recovers. DOJ down by as much as 16, behind by 14 now. Javier with another 3. Good recovery by Pridas, but Pridas is hurt. Down is Pridas. Holding on to his left knee. Tignan natin kung ano yung nangyari bago umagsak si Danny Pridas. Alam ko tatalon siya sa rebound eh. Ito Coach pa to. Pupuwersa siya rito. Natapilok. Tama ba? Natapilok? Pero sa tuhod nakahawak eh.
Oo nga eh.
Still down. Or 32 scoreline after that miss coming from DOJ. We'll go off air for a while. We'll be right back after we clear up things here on the floor. here in the first half. Nag-timeout po ang Comelec. Kami po ay magbabalik.
Penalty tayo, no foul.
Yung rebound muna tayo. Wala mo nang tatakbuhan. Wala mo nang tatakbuhan.
Pag-offense na natin yun.
Kasi pag yung rebound, titignan ko kayo kung na sino malapit. Kasi
Alam niyo yung 4, di ba? Pagbaba, 4 tayo, pero ubusin muna yung second. Di baling pa maubos ang oras dito, wag lang bumalik doon.
Pero pag halimbawa may chance tayong pass play, pag wala, attack tayo.
Pare kang rebound ha?
Yes, ikaw sa may bola. Malisari sa shopping na yun. May bola po.
For an update on what happened earlier to Ridas, we have Rina right now. Rin?
Yes, Coach Ronnie, no, update tayo dito kay Danny Privdas right now. He's in a great pain ngayon, no, mataas dahil sabi niya nga sa akin, 8 out of 10 itong kanyang pain grade na nararamdaman ngayon. Hindi niya ma-move yung kanyang left knee at pinapaturo ko sa kanya kanina kung saan masakit. It's more on the lateral side ng kanyang left knee, and right now itong UNTV News and Rescue team natin, they're icing it while the leg is extended kasi nahihirapan din siya to fold that knee. So later on, malalaman natin kung makakabalik pa siya sa game, pero sabi niya nga mukhang mahihirapan na siyang makabalik for today's ball game. And for the assessment, whether it's a strain or a sprain, we cannot tell yet. Coach Ronnie, back to you.
Collateral is the outer part, di ba, Rins? Kasi yung
Yes,
dito sa inside is
medial.
medial collateral, MCL. That's all she wrote in the first 20 minutes. Comelec up 11 at 27-16 in the first 10 minutes. Coming up with 21 points here in quarter 2. DOJ scored 16 points twice over to have a 32-point output after the first 32 or 20 minutes. 48-32 end of the first 20 minutes. End of the half. Lamang ang Comelec laban sa DOJ. And so far, so good para dito sa Comelec na lamang ng 16 laban sa DOJ na hindi pa pinapalad, Coach Pat, na may baba ang halamangan ng Comelec sa single-digit deficit.
Yes, hindi pa talaga dahil sa sobrang sipag ng Comelec sa depensa, kaya madaming turnovers. I believe nasa mga 10 turnovers ng DOJ for this game.
Ilan, Coach Pat?
10?
10. Yan
Oh,
ang-
sorry.
Aha.
14 turnovers.
Aha, kulang ka.
Oo.
Tinimbang, ngunit kulang. Joel. Inside. What a turn. Ungria. Ito na kat on the recovery. Joel. Cross court, Ramirez from distancia. Back tip, De La Cruz. Turnover. Forced. Possession to the other side. Solier. Alastoy. Favorite shot. Yes. Nothing but
Favorite
net.
shot talaga niya yan.
Sinong masipag?
Bamrina.
Yan.
Balitaan ko muna kayo at the half for these two teams, no, para sa kupunan ng DOJ. Ang narinig ko sa kanila inside the dugout, it was a nice game. Kaya lang masyado silang nagmamadali. Si Coach Arturo Valenzuela was telling the boys, naging low percentage sila on their shooting dahil nga sa kakamadali nila. He told the boys to play aggressively on this second half. Kailangan ayusin nila yung shooting nila at matuto silang makipagbanggaan din with the Comelec. Meanwhile, para naman dito sa kupunan ng Vanguards, no, it's about maintaining that intensity for defense. Kailangan lang maalagaan na nila yung lamang na ito para magtuloy-tuloy na itong back-to-back wins nila, starting it out on a good note para sa kanilang kupunan. Back to you, coaches.
Nandiyan na si Coach Valenzuela. Ang father and son tandem ay kompleto na. Ascurador answers a 4-point run. That reverse move para sa Comelec, back to a 14-point lead.
Yes, buti nakaabot din si Coach Valenzuela for you.
Abot yan.
Yes.
Alastoy overshoots. Ramirez down the right. Bad pass. That's good defense on the part of Solier. The trap along that spot.
Yes. Lalo na pag nakatalikod, no? Usually, yun talagang ano eh. No? Doon ka pupunta.
Trapping areas. Sa
Dropping
tinatawag.
corner. Oh.
Kaya nga sabi nila, magkapupunta dyan. De La Cruz to Solier. Inside to Duran. Canizares flashes weak side. Nakita mo si Hungria? What's that?
Ang tigas eh. Matigas yung Hungria, matigas si Namukatkat.
At shooter si Ramirez.
Ito pa isang matigas.
Parang Junmar Fajardo.
Para John Marfajardo.
James Harden move.
Oo.
First team foul for
Two free throws coming up.
Leading Comelec is Ramirez with 11. Ha?
Tatlong tres yata yan. Dalawa.
Oh, dalawa. 11, Corredor with 7. Isik with 7.
Pero nagpalayo si Corredor no, nung umpisa.
Oo.
5 points yan, 2 possessions eh. Free throws becoming a problem para sa Comelec. They have missed 8.
Yes. 9 of 17. Sa panig naman ng DOJ, 7 of 12.
.8 lead na nanatili para sa Comelec. Butel pumihit. Butel na ipit. De La Cruz, Euro. Diretso, okay. Tatakbo na naman si Distancia. At ang mga Collet Ball Elite. Saksakan ng bilit.
Ang bilis eh. Bumangga pa sa...
Cameraman.
Oo.
Ball screen Duran for Solier. Canizares has not hit a single 3 ball so far. 0 of 3. 0 of 3 lang ba si Canizares?
0 of 3. Field goal niya is 2 of 8.
Mas malalaki sila pero mas mabibilis ang kalaban.
Oo.
8 for Duran, the mid-range master. Jewel. Ramirez. Overload on the left. Double post. Corredor. 3-second violation on Hungria.
Good defense by Butel. Good coverage. Bigla nakakita ng pader eh. Si Corredor. Mas malaki sa kanya si Butel.
Di pader yan. That's a human wall.
Human wall.
Oh, bigger than a pader. Canizares beats Corredor. Chance to bring the lead down further. Mahaba rin si Canizares talaga eh, no?
4 points pa lang ang Comelec.
Samantala,
Samantala, DOJ, they already scored 8 points this quarter.
doubling up.
Sabi nga ni Coach Valenzuela eh, tulungan lang kayo.
Yan.
Depensa
Yan.
and extra pass.
Yo. Mataas-taas na tong zone defense na to ah.
Oo.
Distancia. Backtip na naman. Corredor. Hungria.
Hungria.
This is an athletic big man, ano?
Oo.
May spring pa eh. Look at Ramirez pressing in the backcourt. Inside to Duran. Corredor reaching in. That will be his third. Pangatlo. O pang-apat. Pang-apat.
Pang-apat. Mabigat na turn of events yan. Ha?
Na-experience ni Duran.
Oo.
Bakers doesn't lead para sa Comelec. Duran started out cold. But Duran, I believe, is the leading scorer para dito sa DOJ. Tama, di ba?
Duran, yes.
Walo.
Duran, Javier, and Cañizares.
Ito na.
Ayan,
Ito na.
back siya.
.12 lead. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul for Fajardo.
Ang tulin talaga. Si Isik ba to?
Isik.
Marinig mo yung paa?
Oo.
Namukatkat. Clearing the way. Isik once again outruns everybody. Ball touch last by Comelec.
Kakasabi mo nga na naririnig mo yung paa, nandun na kagad siya.
Diba? Ayan o, ayan o. Mabilis makaubos ng sapatos siya. No? Cañizares close out counter. Top shot. Mas masipag nang bumaba sa transition ng mga naka-pusha. Fajardo. Lost possession.
$12 points na lang to.
12.
12.
Asuncion playing the point. Cañizares. Inside to Duran. Duran. Inside to Butel. Comelec is fouling too much, no?
Yes. Penalty.
9 of 15 from the line is DOJ.
Comelec is 9 of 17.
Comelec looking for back-to-back wins. DOJ searching for their first victory.
Two missed baskets from Butel. Namukatkat.
Ayan na.
Hungria.
Hungria. Out to Isik. Touch pass. Namukatkat. Has been gun shy. Asuncion. Good transition defense para sa white shirts. Duran. Cañizares to Butel. The UE Red Warriors. He's firing. Oops. Scrappy play coming from Butel. Namukatkat. Mabilis na bumababa talaga rito ang mga naka-pusha. Fajardo against Butel. Sneaks in. Misses. Two against four. Asuncion. Defended by Murilla.
Murilla tsaka si Isik no?
Duran. Against Hungria. Javier block. Murilla. Excellent pass.
Murilla to Isik.
We've heard that many times in the first two quarters. Isik, meron ng ilang puntos?
9 points.
9 points. 9 lang ba? 11 na yan? 9.
9 points. 11 si Ramirez.
Turnover count.
Turnover 11 for Comelec, 16 for DOJ.
Dami.
Dami. Free throws DOJ 10 of 18. Comelec naman 9 of 17.
Cañizares, very active. Very experienced as well. And that's a legend in Philippine basketball history. Coach Arturo Turo Valenzuela. Part of the UNTV Cup family. 12-point lead. Parang hindi mabasag-basag yung Kalamangan. Ano?
Oo.
Under 3 minutes here in the third. Quick trigger. Asuncion, sandwich. Nakapasa kay Duran. Duran. Foul by Isik. Dinaan sa taas.
Di na binaba.
Hindi abot ni Boy. The free throws for Duran. Duran has made sure this lead will be manageable, but they're still trying to breach the 10-point barrier up to this stage of the third. Ayun na si Ma'am. Nagagalak. Nababalisa.
Down to 10.
At napapapalakpak. Sa tuwa.
May pasok pa.
Bukas.
Bukas.
Makalawa. Makatlo, wala na. Sabado na yun.
Sabado na yun.
Very good. Time for 9 fresh.
Time for
3 ball na Mukadkat. Offline. Chance.
Nako.
Bridge the 10-point barrier.
Oo. Gagaling sa free throw pa. For Duran.
Substitution. Labas muna si Attorney Cha Fajardo. Duran once again and Canizares have been at the forefront of this third quarter uprising. Ang mabigat puro free throws eh.
Oo. Ang dami.
At hindi tumatakbo yung oras.
22. Walong na-miss nila. Pero 14 made.
Dami.
Dami.
Mukhang merong infection control protocol.
Oo. Pero siguro ng
Scratch.
scratch.
Kailangan niya mertiolet.
Betadine.
O kaya agua oxygenada. Para bumula.
Okay. Ayan. Siyam na lang.
Aha, nabasag na yung 10. Ay babasa siyam. 9-point lead for Comelec from high of 16 in the first half. Isik cross court. Dangerous pass. Isik open. Long. Isik recovers. Oops. Cross court. Namukatkat. Ganda ng mga close out, oh.
Oo.
Faulty pass. Another turnover para sa Comelec.
Ang ganda na ng ng depensa ng DOJ. Simula na dumating si Coach Valenzuela.
Oo, mas active.
Active sila.
Nagalaw sila, kaya nagalaw din ang Kalamangan na ibaba.
Na ibaba.
Sam, Kalamangan, 56-47. Time out on the floor.
Hindi lang, ito lang muna sa upboard. Okay? Erwin to. Okay, ito yung point natin. Okay, tingin ha. Erwin. Okay, Jorel. Kung saan na si Erwin yan, push daw mo dito. Yan. Ito nga, Sir Chris. Align to dito sa kabila. Okay? Pagka hit mo muna si Jorel. Okay? Hit sa Jorel. Ito passer dito. Pag gumihat, lumaro ka lang dito. Pag gumihat, kita mo, balik mo dito. Atake. Release dito.
Guys, magtatrap ha. Baka magtatrap. Ako mag-iimbas.
The rally's on para dito sa team ng DOJ. Under 2 minutes. 9-point lead para dito sa Comelec. Bumaba. May baba. Another foul.
Another foul.
The third quarter slowed down a lot. Kinakayod sila sa loob eh, no?
Oo. Mabigat talaga yun.
Nabigat talaga si De Lucas. And they're making their free throws now.
Down to 8.
Down to 7. Yung dalawang mahusay na malalaki nakaupo. Foul again? Time up. Third quarter action. 97 seconds left.
Alis na ako dyan.
Yung isa, punta ka dito. Pagbigay ka, agad. Tayo. Biglayin natin kasi pag dinandahan natin, sumiset sila, nakakadepensa, pamagal tayo. Pag ganun, pag hindi, diretso. O, ikot na tayo, ikot, ha?
Bossing, pag next night tayo, araw agad tayo.
After shoot, after shoot.
Alta mo raw si Maulio. Ano, sabi na.
And we hope that Vidas will be fine after a checkup or two. Konting pahinga para siya'y makapasok, makabalik sa opisina at makasama po natin siya dito sa Season 11 ng UNTV Cup.
Yes, oo. Mukhang okay naman siya. At least hindi na siya in pain. Sa ngayon, nandun siya sa bench.
Saka natitiklop na niya yung paa niya,
Yes.
yung tuhod niya. May question dito kasi blooded shorts yung kay Ungria, Coach Pat.
Yes. Oo. Okay na daw.
Pero ang importante kasi nawala na yung sa sugat niya. Open at the top. Distancia, swings it. Namukat-kat, cross court. Isik wide open. There you go. Perfect setup job by Namukat-kat. Kaya sila ngayon lang nakapress eh. Kasi ngayon na lang sila tumama ulit.
Oo.
Just like that, umakit muli sa 10. Napunta na naman sa loob ang DOJ. Puro foul bait lang si Doron eh.
Oo. Good defense by Ungria.
Offensive foul.
Foul. Nawala na spasyo.
At nawalan ng preno.
Oo.
At nawawala na yung lamang.
Okay.
Good draw charge there para dito kay Javier.
Patuloy pa rin ang kanilang full court press. Strength talaga nila eh, no?
Kasi maliliit.
Oo. Ayun, no?
$59-49, 10 kalamangan. Ito yan. Ito ba yan? Tapos na to, di ba?
Tapos na
So the last play was a steal. Tama, no? A steal, tapos a foul.
Sportsman.
Comelec foul. Two free throws coming up. Three free throws.
Upon the review, the previous foul on number 22, Erwin Duran, is upgraded to an unsportsmanlike foul under criteria number 3, unnecessary contact to stop the progress of transition.
So kung ano yung nakapagpahabol sa DOJ, yun din ang pamatay sunog ng Comelec lumalabas, ano?
Oo.
Duran has to sit down for 3 minutes. Tama ba?
Tama. Kasi yun, upgrade sa unsportsmanlike foul.
Nine free throws missed by Comelec this afternoon.
Dami rin nilang mintis na.
For 3 minutes.
60 to 49.
Namukatkat. Distansya to Guriba. Out for a three. A three that went out. Asuncion forward pass. Way ahead.
Sayang yung possession.
Distansya. Namukatkat. Distansya. Namukatkat. Inside. Nakakailang din talaga yung ang lalaki, no?
Oo. Meron to si Butel tsaka si De
Kay
Lucas.
Lucas. Tapos makikintab.
Ayun na naman.
Yun lang. 7 down. Now behind by 13. Pag nakapress, no?
Oo.
Javier. Safely to Asuncion. Pinalo ni Hungria. That's a foul.
Oy.
Now he has 4 personal fouls. Dahil ang technical foul is deemed as a personal foul.
Foul on number 20, Aljon Umbria. That's his third. Technical foul on number 20, Aljon Umbria, for second infraction of unsportsmanlike behavior. That's his fourth.
Nobody wants to take the free throw.
Mabigat yung development na yun kasi si
Curador.
Curador is 4 fouls na rin.
Canizares has made a living at the line.
Yeah. Duran with 12, Canizares with 10. Sa panig ng DOJ.
Under a second remaining. A bailout foul lumabas. Soft hands for the big man.
Oo. Mamaya pa makakabalik si Duran.
Umakyat sa 16, bumaba sa 7. Subalit sa pagtatapos ng kalahating oras, ang Comelec nananatiling abante ng 12 puntos. Duran nagpahabol, Canizares kumayod. Subalit kahit nagagalak ang ating mayuming binibini, nananatili ang Comelec sa pamumuno nitong si Isik at Ramirez. Nang ganito karaming puntos, 12 kalamangan patungo sa huling 10 minuto. Quarter action. DOJ behind by 12. Starting off the quarter with 3. Namokatkat running the break. Namokatkat has no intention to pass. 6 for Jewel.
Ang bigat nun. Di warangin eh.
Malaki na mabilis tumakbo.
Oo. Tsaka kontrolado niya eh.
What a getaway.
Oo.
Disgrasya.
Very few times na naka-break ang DOJ.
Nakabasag at nakascore. Nababasag nila. Pero hindi sila makascore.
Oo.
At saka paubos na sana yung oras sa backcourt.
Oo.
Open is Jewel. Curador. Yan ang galaw big man talaga.
Dinikit.
Oo, mahirap yun.
Oo.
The double team is on. Javier. Butel with the jumper. Asuncion tips it to Soler. 3 ball Javier. Butel on a post. Oops. Foul. Na mukatkat.
Alastoy.
Ulit, Coach Pat?
Alastoy in for Butel.
Yes. Comelec lamang ng 14. Ang layo ng pasang yun.
Oo.
Saka hindi pag hindi kailangan ng cross court, pwede namang one pass away, ano?
Oo.
That's my favorite move.
Atras abante, no?
Atras. Abante. Pagilid.
Oo.
Namukatkat with a 3. Curador. Sinakyan. Si Asuncion. Namukatkat. Ramirez spots. Curador again. Curador again. Curador again. Curador. Curador. Oy! Isik this time. Oh my! Tremendous effort coming from Isik. Tying their largest lead at 16. Foul by Namukatkat. 4 na rin si Namukatkat.
4 na nga.
Apat, no, Coach Pat?
Yes.
4 si Guriba, 4 si Namukatkat, 4 si Curador. Pero mahigit 14 ang kanilang abante. Kaya, ayos pa rin sila.
Nakapondo na rin.
Ganda naman ng galaw na yon.
Oo.
And that will be it for Curador. Napadabog palabas.
Napapadyak.
Napapadyak. What?
Ito papasok siya yung Guria. 4 na rin to eh.
Vince Curador, 5 fouls.
Si Ungria, 4?
4 na rin. Kasi may technical siya kanina.
Kaya pala pa na yung play 4 nila kanina. Kanina na problema yung Comelec na penalty sila na maaga.
Oo. Kaya lang, dami rin mintis ang DOJ. 17 of 29. 18 of 30.
Ayos maglaro si Isik, ano?
Oo.
Yung maliliit, Isik, Distancia, Ramirez. Aurelia, Ramirez, Isik again.
Uy!
Wow. That's triple effort.
Grabe yung rebound na yan, ha?
Namukatkat, open.
Idinikit.
At inipit. Subalit na kalusot si Joel. Namukatkat. Malaking bagay yung pagkakaupo ni Duran.
Oo. 8 na lang kanina eh.
Yes. 7.
Naging 7. Yes.
Ngayon, dumoble.
Oo. Ten of 20. Ang Comelec.
Ganda ng backspin, no?
Oo.
Here comes the press. De La Cruz is also back. Canizares as well. Alastoy, that jumper. Two left, far left rather. Canizares. That's Jorel Canizares with his 12th point. 16, bumaba sa 14.
Duran, 12 points na rin. Laking ang bagay nung naupo siya, no? For 3 minutes. Good extra pass.
Set shot, eh, no? Eto na naman si Murillo.
Grabe si Murillo at si Isik, eh, no?
Yung mga guard rebounds ng kalaban,
Oo.
kinukuha nila.
Oo. Kalaban, malaki, ah.
A much improved team individually and collectively itong Comelec. Aurelia. Ramirez slows it down. Telegraph pass. Duran. Sino na naman nakagaw? Si Murillo na naman.
Oo, deflections talaga.
Oo.
Ito na.
Sick. Wow.
Wow.
Mahirap yun, Coach Pat.
Oo, iwasan mo.
Mahirap yun.
Napatakbo.
Napatakbo sa tuwa si Distancia dahil dumistansya amigo na ang Comelec. 16 kalamangan ng Vanguards laban sa Beacons. Halos kalahati na ng ating huling yugto, ang huling pahina ng unang laban.
Kasi tayo. Okay, ang ginagawa nila, binabato nila dito. Okay, try natin mag 1-2-2. Pero convert tayo sa 2-3. 1-2-2 lang, sa simula. Okay, pag pinasahan to dito. Okay, labas, adjust, yan.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Pag
Pag sa
nakababa,
kabila, pag nakababa.
2-3.
Oh, 2-3, balik lang. Ganyan, parang
Bulubog lang kita sa ano,
Kaling may tangka na humabol ng DOJ. It has to happen now.
Yes, kaya lang parang Comelec pa yung naghahabol kasi sila pa rin nagpo-full court press.
Pangatlong team foul ng Vanguards.
Media, his second. 2 on the Comelec.
Solier. Gets to his spot. This guy can play, Coach Pat. Mahusay ito.
Oo. Dahil kanina pa siya tumutulong lalo sa pagbaba ng bola.
Yes, maayos yan. Namukatkat spots up.
Yun lang.
That's a straight arrow delivered by Namukatkat. Tawag nila dyan, Coach Pat, bow and arrow.
Oo.
Ay naman, that steal by Namukatkat. Too fancy para dito sa Vanguard.
Oo. After turnover, press pa rin.
Press pa rin.
Oo.
Ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan para dito sa Comelec.
Oo.
17. Duran. Duran. To Solier. Good blackout by Comelec.
Napagod na rin si Solier eh. Kanina pa siya.
Wala silang gwardya eh. Si De La Cruz lang eh. Tapos pinepress mo.
Oo.
Di kasali yan.
Pinasahan si Kuya Referee.
Pero umilag.
Umilag.
Yeah.
Pinapahinga si Isik.
Galing, no?
Oo.
Meron pa bang isang buga? Hindi, OJ. Tutukan para kay Lastoy. Mahaba. Balance, balance. Sabi ni Distancia. Ramirez. Morilla. Siya na naman.
Kuha pa rin niya. Ang ganda na pasa.
Ganda. What about that finish by Distancia?
Oo.
Parang idinakdak kay Lastoy.
Oo.
Sampa na sa
Kaliwat
19. Oo. Canizares. Alastoy. Uy,
Idinaktak din.
that will be it for Hungary, ah.
Nacho Hungary. Nacho Hungary and 5 fouls.
Under 4 minutes sa ating unang laban. Canizares catch and shoot. That could be the start of a rally here. Although this is a ispa kalamangan ng kalaban. Canizares now with a total of 15. They'll burn as much time as they can. Recovered again by Comelec. Namukat-kat. That's a backbreaker. That's a backbreaker. Nag-iinit si De Lucas. Nangingiti si Ramirez. Nalaki kalamangan. Umalo na sa 19.
Oo, mabigat.
Ano ang ating third quarter scoreline?
Third quarter. 62-50. So, 17 points para sa Comelec. 10 pa lang sa DOJ.
Ang nakaharang, nakakainis. Lalo pag laman.
Lalo na pag 19.
Oo. Kasi ang talagang nakaharang ay yung 19 na kalamangan.
Oo.
At habang hinihimay pa yung huling nangyari, mga numero, Coach Pat.
Yes, sa Comelec talagang tumulong sa kanila itong third tsaka fourth quarters the leadership ng Namukat-Kat and Isik. Sama mo na dyan si Morilla.
Mas pagpilangin mo nga yung steals, tama ba yan?
18 steals.
Delaying the game.
4 kay Isik.
18 turnovers, 18 steals? Let me think about that. Canizares short. That was 2 against 5. Mahirap kalaro itong mga maliliit na to.
Oo.
Kasi maliliit na may spring sa paa, no?
Oo, ang bibilis. Morilla 2 points pero yung nagagawa niya sa laro.
Rebound.
Oo.
Sino na naman yun? Ayan na naman. Yan ang steal.
Agaw talaga. No, malinis.
On the ball.
Oo.
Under 3 minutes. Comelec looking good to get their second straight win. Dami nilang binuhay na bola, no?
Oo. Madaming rebounding guards. Half court daw. Half court press.
Half-court press. Kalahating tinapay. Kanina tasty, di ba? Buo.
Oo.
Mababa ang DOJ sa dalawang sunod na pagkatalo. Comelec with a dominant performance this afternoon. Ramirez. Bump by Duran. With a 19-point lead, Comelec calls timeout. 79-60, fourth quarter count.
Smart ka lang ha. Sab na. Jason Maulio, pasok sa Basagin. Set nyo lang yung play. Ha? No fouls.
Parang 148.
Pero yung depensa nandiyan, pero no fouls. Maliwanag? Go, go.
Yung rule number 1, 69.
Ni Coach Patrick, ano ba ang mga nangyari dito para sa DOJ? Bakit hindi sila nakahabol ng tuluyan? At ito yung mga numerong naging indicative dito sa 19 na puntos na abante ng Comelec sa kasalukuyan.
Oh, una-una, hirapan sila talaga pagbaba ng bola.
Yan.
Grabe, they already have 22 turnovers. Tapos pangalawa yung miss free throws nila.
Ilan?
12 miss free throws, 18 of 30.
Pero yung pinakamabigat nung
Nawala si Durant.
nawala si Duran.
Oo.
Nawala yung hungry like the wolf.
Kasi ganyan ang penalty, si Durant yung maatake.
Oh, poste ng poste.
Oo, nung bumalik siya, medyo lumamig eh.
Saka malaki na yung lamang.
Oo. Kanina ka, sabi mo, 7 na lang.
Ito na lang.
Oo.
#81-62. Comelec solo lead. 2 wins. 2 straight wins. So maglalaban Coach Pat ay Department of Agriculture at ang Ombudsman Graphbusters.
Yes.
Mga teams na nagtapos sa una at pangatlong pwesto sa Season 10.
Oo.
Yan. Another rebound. By distansya. Oops. Na-fakean si Ron.
Na-fake ng teammate.
Ngayon lang ako nakakita nun.
Oo.
Nag-matrix sa teammate. Namukatkat susunog ng oras. Nakasipat sa shot clock. Logo 3. Ang tawag dyan, opportunista, Coach Pat. Bakit hindi?
4 points?
Aba, not here.
Not here, not here.
Next week.
Next week.
Asuncion, under 30, to Duran. Duran has played well.
Yes.
Very well. Duran, 12.
12 points. Sila lang ni Cañizares ang bumubuhay.
Si Javier nakatulong din.
Tulong.
But that will be it. Comelec, 2-0. DOJ, 0-2. Sa ating unang laban. Sa ating unang salang, sa ating unang hain. Dito nagtatapos ang 40 minutes of action sa pagitan ng DOJ at ng Comelec Vanguards. Coach Pat, sino ang iyong mga napiling best players o best player of the game?
Sa panig ng Comelec, si Isik at si Namokatkat. Isik scored 16, Namokatkat 13.
29 of the 81 points. And these two gallant warriors stood tall for Coach Cha Santiago. They will be rewarded with their second straight win, and they will also have a chance to greet their friends and family as they are now together with our colleague, our mate, Miss Rina Villamor Camara.